Here is the continued review voiceover script. You're rushing out the door, and your Xbox is about to grind to a halt. Those massive games you've been wanting to play just won't load. The WD Black 2TB C50 storage is exactly what fixes that. Imagine being able to boot up your favorite game in seconds, not minutes. This officially licensed storage expansion card for Xbox is designed to unleash the full potential of your console, allowing for blazing fast performance and seamless access to your favorite games. With up to 2 TB of storage, you've got room to grow your game library without breaking a sweat. The WD Black C50 takes space away from what really matters, gameplay, not from your precious storage capacity. One thing that's often overlooked but makes all the difference is quick resume support. This card seamlessly integrates with your console's quick resume feature, so you can pick up exactly where you left off without delay. No more loading screens, no more frustration. The WD_Black C50 also packs a super speed NVMe core, which revolutionizes your gaming experience by reducing wait times and providing fast responses. It's like having an extra life in the game, one that saves you from tedious loading screens. But what really sets this card apart is its optimized performance for Xbox. The Xbox Velocity architecture unlocks the full potential of the WD Black C50, ensuring that your console runs at lightning-fast speeds and provides a seamless experience when installing, loading, playing, and saving your favorite games. Think about it, with the WD_Black 50 storage expansion card, you're not just upgrading your storage, you're unlocking a whole new world of gaming possibilities. You'll be able to keep more titles installed, play with faster load times, and enjoy an overall better gaming experience. So what's holding you back? Plug this officially licensed card directly into the dedicated slot on the back of your Xbox Series XS console, and it's good to go, no extra software or installation steps needed. The WD Black 2TB C50 storage is a game changer for anyone looking to take their gaming experience to the next level. But how fast are we talking? We're talking about loading times that are as short as 30 seconds, with some games taking even less time than that to load. Imagine being able to jump straight into your favorite multiplayer session or get back into a game you were in the middle of playing without any hassle. And let's not forget about storage space. With up to 2 TB of capacity, you've got plenty of room to store all your games, DLCs, and other digital content. No more running out of space on your internal drive, no more having to delete files or worry about losing progress. But the benefits don't stop there. The WD_Black C50 also supports multiple file formats, including MP4, AVI, and ISO. So whether you're watching movies or playing games with complex save data, this card has got you covered. Another feature that sets this card apart is its compatibility with Xbox's native storage management system. This means that you can easily manage your storage space using the Xbox app on your console, ensuring that you always have enough room for new games and content. And when it comes to reliability, you can trust the WD Black 2TB C50 storage. Made with high-quality materials and designed with durability in mind, this card is built to last and withstand even the most demanding gaming sessions. But don't just take our word for it. Real gamers have already seen the benefits of the WD_Black C50 storage for themselves. With thousands of reviews and ratings pouring in every day, you can trust that this card has been thoroughly tested by those who know what they're talking about. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your Xbox experience with the WD Black 2TB C50 storage today and discover a whole new world of gaming possibilities. Don't let loading screens hold you back. Get the speed, storage, and performance you need to take your gaming to the next level.